This video is a short tutorial on using the Wi-Fi camera control functions for close-up bird and wildlife photography and videography. This approach allows you to record birds close-up with any lens and take your photography or videography to the next level. First, you'll need a Wi-Fi capable camera and a tripod. Although Panasonic Lumix cameras are shown as examples in this video, you can use any Wi-Fi capable camera. Next, you'll need a smartphone or tablet to host the Wi-Fi camera control app. You can use any lens you want. A 50mm prime will do the job. Even a wide-angle zoom will do the job. Macro lenses are fine. You don't necessarily have to use a long zoom lens for this. Before you start shooting photos or video, take a moment to study bird behavior. Most birds follow the same routine every single day. Watch where they land. Watch where they perch. Use their routines to plan your shots accordingly. A simple approach would be to lure birds into your shot with food. You can also capture birds flying into a feeder. Next, we'll discuss the steps involved in composing and recording your shots. Step 1. Compose and focus your shots. Use manual focus. Pay particular attention to depth of field. Then set the exposure and white balance. Next, we'll set up the Wi-Fi hotspot from the camera. The steps are for Panasonic Lumix cameras, but the steps are similar for other cameras. From the setup menu, select Wi-Fi, then select Wi-Fi function. If it's the first time connecting to your smartphone, select New Connection, otherwise select from History. Select Remote Shooting and View. When you see the Wi-Fi ID prompt, connect to the hotspot with your smartphone. Launch the Panasonic Image App on your smartphone. On your smartphone, select Use Image App. On your smartphone, select Remote Operation. Your camera parameters and view should be available now on your smartphone. Push the red button to start recording. Recording is indicated by the flashing red dot in the bottom left corner. Press the red button again to stop recording. Since you're composing the shot with focus and depth of field before your subject moves into the frame, the results can be extremely professional when compared to standard point and shoot methods. You can safely sit 25 feet away from the camera and have complete control over all recording functions. We should also note that the Panasonic Image App allows for exposure control remotely, as well as focus control manually or autofocus of certain focus-by-wire compatible lenses. As you can see, you can get some pretty incredible results with this approach. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.